Solved problems. Income statement and balance sheet with suspense account. Problem. From the following data, prepare a properly classified balance sheet and a single-step income statement for XYZ Mimeo services for the month of December 2019. Salary expense 4,000, rent expense 1,400, supplies expense 1,400, taxes and licenses 1,400, lighting and water expenses 1,000, mimeographing fee 6,000, other income 1,700, XYZ capital 53,000, notes payable 25,000, accounts payable 3,000, SSS Phil Health premium payable 450, office equipment 60,000, office furniture 5,000, cash on hand 15,000, cash at bank 20,900, accounts receivable 5,000. Solution. Let us put the balances into a trial balance to check whether the debit and credit balance are equal or not for the purpose of matching. XYZ Mimeo Services trial balance for the month of December 2019. Account titles debit, credit, salary expense 4,000 debit, rent expense 1,400 debit, supplies expense 1,400 debit, taxes and licenses 1,000 debit, light and water expenses 1,000 debit, Mimeo Arafina fee 6,000 credit, other income 1,700 credit, XYZ capital 53,000 credit, notes payable 25,000 credit, accounts payable 3,000 credit, SSS and Phil Health premium payable 450 credit, office equipment 60,000 debit, office furniture 5,000 debit, cash on hand 15,000 debit, cash in bank 20,900 debit, accounts receivable 5,000 debit, total debits 114,700, total credits 89,150. The totals are not matching. Therefore, we proceed by putting the balance into a suspense account. At the end of the unmatched trial balance, we add suspense account balancing amount on the credit side 25,550. Now the total debits are 114,700 and total credits are 114,700. Let us prepare income statement and balance sheet in the usual way. XYZ Mimeo Services income statement for the month of December 2019. Revenues Mimeo Arafina fee 6,000, other income 1,700, net sales 7,700, expenses salary expense 4,000, rent expense 1,400, supplies expense 1,400, taxes and licenses 1,000, light and water expenses 1,000, total expenses 8,800, net income loss 1,100. XYZ Mimeo Services balance sheet as on 31st December 2019. Assets, current assets, cash on hand 15,000, cash in bank 20,900, accounts receivable 5,000, total current assets 40,900, non-current assets, office equipment 60,000, office furniture 5,000, total non-current assets 65,000, total assets 105,900, liabilities, current liabilities, accounts payable 3,000, SSS and Phil Health premium payable 450, suspense account 25,550, total current liabilities 29,000, non-current liabilities, notes payable 25,000, total non-current liabilities 25,000, total liabilities 54,000, equity XYZ capital 53,000, retained earnings loss minus 1,100, total equity 51,900, total liabilities and equity 105,900, total assets 105,900. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.